Alright, so in this video, we're going to go from this to this.
In this video, I'll be replacing the side marker and doing a little bit of body work here.
Okay, in order to place the side light right here, got to take this little guy out. Alright, so I just took and pushed that through, pushed that pop rivet back out. Set this aside for later. Okay, twisted this out, light bulb, get it out. Okay, so on the old one, there's a little clip right here that's got to be released. Go something like that. Okay, so right here, push it down, and the whole cylinder will pull out. There we go. There we go, just like that. Alright, so while this is out, I'm going to try to clean this up a bit. Okay, I'm going to tape off where I don't want it sanded. A little extra protection there.
And next I apply some black primer.
Alright, let the primer dry a little bit, then I'll wet sand it, and then I hopefully can put the finish coat on it.
You can't see it here, but I did mask off the bumper too to prevent any overspray from getting on it.
Get it off real good. Okay, I'm actually using some Mopar touch-up paint. Supposed to perfectly match the paint, so what you see. Okay, now I gotta let it dry and buff it out, and then put the new side marker light in. Alright, now I'm going to put the lens back in, take out that masking tape. Put the new one on and take this piece off, take the little light socket out. There we go. Okay, put the new light bulb back in. And plug it in. There we go. Put the little rivet back in. There we go. And there we go.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Should be all I have to do is reach up in there,